All right, honey dolls and gents, welcome back. And we're doing another alopecia hair transformation, baby. She had to come back to the weave doctor. I don't know where she been at, okay? She been hiding. Girl, we are doing an Adore watercolor. And now that is over there sitting and marinating while the weave doctor now had to blow dry her hair out. It's been a little bit long time since I've seen her, but honey, I am so glad she is here. She is trying to get a special event / birthday hair transformation. So we're just blow drying her hair using the T3 blow dryer with our wide tooth comb. And as you can see, she has a ton of split ends, okay? And that's what I try to advocate people to do. Make sure, even though that if you're going to wear wigs and weaves, it's still make sure that you get your stylist to give you deep conditioning treatments to trim them split ends, because even though you're dealing with alopecia, you want to try to get the most max amount of fullness in the scalp and hair, and you do that by trimming your ends on a regular basis. And oh, girl, look, all that split ends just going away. All right, honey, so now we are parting the hair. We're about to now just going through out of it, just making sure that nothing, child, no daggone hair strand is left behind, okay? Now, we're not cutting all the hair off like some of these videos we see online. We still want to make sure that, we're just doing a basic rinse. And girl, look all that baking soda I just put on that wig. She said that she wanted it lighter. It was not giving Patti LaBelle's hair color. So the wig doctor had to make it brighter during her appointment. Child, it's hard out here for a hairstylist. I am trying to tell y'all, this is not an easy job. Sometimes you are just working all your life. You had to fight. Okay. This entire process probably took at least about 8 hours, including the color. This now sometimes you can do it simultaneously. Normally I do like to pre-color the hair before the client comes. That could take an additional hour and 45 to 2.5 hours. All right, so now we finished the cornrow on her. We're putting on the HD lace wig cap. And with this cap, I like these because it blends in effortlessly. And also, child, it's not like that thick old cap. It doesn't take forever to dry. Even though the thick cap, I would say, protects the hair from the glue a little bit better. But this one is very good, especially if you're trying to cut down on the time. And also, it just overall blends in with the client's scalp. And it doesn't poke through the wig as much. Now we are applying the what is this? The powder, the foundation. And this right here, this is just going to help blend in her scalp, give her a bald cap method so she can be looking amazing. And honey, this is going to be a long video today, okay? We almost getting there. Now we had to apply some of the adhesive. This is a very important method, honey. We do not need nobody with no alopecia wig falling up off their head when they're walking outside. So now we are securing, we had to let the glue cure. Now we are installing the actual lace front. This is a lace front kinky straight. She told me she don't want no baby doll princess hair. Okay. So girl, this is exactly what we're doing now. We're trying to carve out the baby hair. We did a little bit plucking. Now we got the blow dry this hair. This is some thick hair. This is like some African hair. Okay, honey. Look at all them daggone prints up in this hair. I pretty much done worked 2 and 3 times over just to do this daggone hairstyle. But honey, it's almost coming together. I also use this melting band. I do like those bands because it really does make the hairline really seep into the skin. It makes it look very nice. So, and I'm doing a little bit more plucking. The plucking is really good because it's going to make the hairline really come forward, and it's going to blend in more better and look more natural hairlines. Some of those hairlines, child, be looking like a daggone, child, just make you have looking like Darth Vader, Dark Vader, whatever it's called. And look how that scalp is coming together around the hairline. Now we have to sew down to reinstall, just to make sure everything is sewn down very tight. Again, this is a very important step. A lot of people just try to put little pricks and ticks in people's head, and they wonder why they wig rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. All right, and we're adding additional threading to this. If you want to learn more, make sure to take our classes to find out more how to install units for women who suffer from alopecia. And girl, look at that hair. Look, it's looking all fluffy now. Okay, fluffulated. Now we have to trim the ends, and we're just doing the layering process. This is a long process. And honey, tell me why when I was curling my client's hair, daggone, one of the T3 irons done broke. It only done been a daggone year. I remember them old Mississippi press irons. You could keep them irons for 3 or 5 years. Okay. That's one thing. If you do buy this iron, make sure that you get a warranty and keep track of your, I think they call it your whatever type of SKU number. Because I'm not sure how long these irons can last. Even though they work exceptionally well, they give you a lot of body. But honey, I guess ain't nothing like the old stuff, okay? A lot of this new technology sometimes does not hold up like the old school tried and true. All right, so now we're pin curling the hair. We're almost to the finished look. And girl, look at all them pin curls. Child, the weed doctor go fast. All right, honey, y'all ready? This is now going to pretty much show us what all this work that we've been doing, and pretty much letting us see the final results. And these pin curls are good because the hair has to be cooled after getting pinned up. And look at that curl. Just look how that hair is bouncing and behaving, honey. Okay. Okay. So now we are gradually separating the curls. Sometimes older clients do not like all their curls combed out, like a lot of the young girls out there nowadays. Actually, that's something that we used to never do growing up unless you were getting a roller set. But I guess, honey, the times have changed. And wow, look at some of the final results. This is an absolutely gorgeous color. I'm so glad that she made me work an extra hour and a half. I had to rewash that hair all over again, re-dry it, just to get this, I guess it's like a cognac spice hair color. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. It blends in effortlessly with her skin. This is truly amazing. I am so happy with the final results. And this unit is probably going to last anywhere from 1 to 3 years, depending on how often that she wears it and the upkeep. And girl, child, just look at them edges. Girl, child, all that daggone hard work has finally paid off. I know she was tired of sitting in this chair. I know her daggone butt is hurting, dealing with me all day. But it looks just amazing.